We are going on to index pieces, understand? Okay? Now, this application of quadratic equations or functions is a bit difficult because students cannot visualize. But I'm going to go through all the examples down there. Understand? So that you can see what I'm talking about. Clear? Okay, all of you listen up. Let's look at example 11. All of you look at example 11, page 15. When I explain, I expect you to keep your mouth shut. 要章 and who's the one beside you? 家具 Okay. Projectile motion. The ball is launched from a slingshot. Its height pitch meters above the ground is given by this. Now, what do you mean by that? That means there's something and then you project down like that, right? You throw right. And it goes this way, here. Okay. Now, where x meters is the horizontal distance from the slingshot. Now, all of you have right? This may be the slingshot. This is your x, right? Okay, what is my h? This is the ground level. This is your h, right? The height, it can be anywhere, right? Understand what I'm saying? So you've got to first of all know what is happening first. Okay? Now, first thing. Find the height of the ball above the ground when it just left the slingshot. Oh, look at this picture. If it just left, right, that means x is what? 0, right? It has not any horizontal movement. Can you see what I'm talking about here? So, part 1. When x is 0, h will be what? 1, right? Okay. But the question says find the height. So you must say height will be 1 meter. Do you all agree? Do you all agree what I'm saying here? Okay, so what is it pictorially? Let me just show this to you. All the above. That means I will have this as my h and this as my x, right? Alright. The height of the slingshot will be just 1 meter. Agree? Can see it? Okay, good. So next one. Find the greatest height of the ball after it was launched from the slingshot. Greatest height will occur at the maximum point, right? Okay, I can always get the coordinates of the maximum point by completing the square. Okay. Yes or no, boss? Okay, so part 2. H equals to negative 2x squared plus 8x plus 1. What must I do when I complete the square? Coefficient of x squared must be what? 1. So I take out negative 2. This one, you don't be careless of this plus. X squared, eh? Negative what? 4x, then negative what? 1 over 2. Correct now? Yes. Can you see it now? Okay, so I will get negative 2 x squared minus 4x plus 2 squared minus 2 squared minus half. Correct? I will get a minus 2 x minus 2 whole thing squared negative 4.5. Okay? In order to make it in the form that we want, will be plus or 9. Correct? Wait, I forgot. It's a negative. Huh? It will be a 9. Correct? Now, what's the meaning of that? That means this point is actually 2, 9. Right? Yes or no? So how do I answer part 2? What did they say? The greatest height. So, greatest height will be what? Will be a 9 meters. Alright. You understand? Can or cannot? Now, can you see the way I present? I always do already, then I read the question, then I answer the question. This one is always very careless. Never read question 1. You do correction is equivalent to doing wrong-tion. The correction is still wrong. I say find the points of intersection. You still say y equals to. Points of intersection must be given in coordinates form. I tell you how many times already. I told you x is bigger equal to 10 times already. Correct? Yes or no? X is an integer. Because I cannot tell you 10.5 times. Do you understand? Okay, part 3. Part 3. If a point is 3 meters horizontally from the slingshot and 7 meters above the ground, justify if the ball will hit the point directly. What does it mean? Okay, look at this picture now. I said 不要讲话而已，I said 講學賣講嘢 ，OK， 唔好講嘢。Alright， 賣大話。Alright， 聽我講，聽我講，你識到未？聽到冇？冇？冇，you just get out. Alright. What does it mean? You see, you must go with such extreme measures. This one not This one is called, it's not SMM measure. It's called MYM measure, Miss-Yap measures. Look at, what's your next say now? Now, there's an object. Down there, a toy, I don't know what it costs to be toy, okay? 3 meters from here. And then 5 meters high. 7. Now, do you agree that if the object lies on the equation, yeah, I will hit it directly. If the object goes lie, that means I will not hit right. Everybody, I'm talking to you. Can you go back? You're distracting me. Do you want me to throw you out your projectile motion? No, right? Can you are? Alright, now, next. Okay. Now, class, look at the textbook solution. Look at the textbook solution. Okay? And sub the answer to here. Okay? But actually, I can also sub here, right? The equivalent now. Am I right now? I will show you, okay? When x is 3, let's look at the textbook now first. I do here. H equals to negative 2, 3 minus 2 squared plus 9. So negative 2, 1 squared plus 9 lah. So this is 7 lah. Alright. That means when x is 3, h is 7, it's on the curve. So when I project this thing out, down, it will hit the ball. I mean hit the point. Whatever nonsense is there. Understand? Okay, now you will say, Joe, what if I don't want I don't want to do the computing the square, because you know why some people don't know how to complete the square and still want to go next part. Can you see that when x is 3, h will be negative 2, 3 squared plus 8, 3 plus 1. I can stop in here, right? It's the same though. This is just the general form. Just now that one is the computer square form. Now what does this give me? Negative 18, right? Oh, you don't know negative 18 Then plus what? Plus 11, right? Huh? 24, very good. I thought you see whether you're awake or not. Plus 1. Negative 18 plus 24 is what? 6 plus what? 7. Can you see same one? Don't need to worry, right? Understand now? Then how to answer? How to answer, right? You will say, since the point 37 over lies on the equation, h equals to this one. Correct? The what? What did I say? The ball will hit the toy directly outside now. Because it's in the okay. Now, what if you put 3 in and it's 3, 8, then how? That means the toy is higher. You understand? So we'll hit that. So we'll not hit. But I'm wrong here, 8 cannot be here because it's the maximum 9. You understand? Okay, 8 should be somewhere here. Everybody clear? Not much difference. I draw bigger and large. This is 7, this is 8. guy. Very good. Okay? Okay, so since 8 is same with 3 if 8 is here, then it will not hit. Understand? It will miss it. Everybody understand? Okay, so this is your example 11. Don't stop. First you laugh, then you talk. What do you want? This one you will dance right. Okay, I want you to read example 11 and see what you don't understand. Ask now. Alright, next I'm going to example 12. This one is more difficult here. Can you see I'm going from slowly become more difficult, okay? I just pray that you don't talk as well. No? Because once you talk, you miss what I'm talking about. Understand? Okay, number 12. Example 12. Architecture design. Sometimes I just feel that the mathematicians should not do so many about this. Then we're not so troubled. Understand? You know Newton is the one who discovered differentiation and integration. And he was the one who sat under the apple tree. That's why the apple dropped down and then got gravity, that kind of thing. You learn gravity, right? In physics. Last time when I was a student, me and my classmates always say, how come you don't go and sit under a durian tree? Because if you sit under a durian tree, you don't need to do so many rubbish. Every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. What the hell? You know, like that kind of nonsense. So, if you don't think I don't know, as a student, we also very horrible. No? Alright? And we also talk about our teachers, right? I know you also talk about me, this girl's trouble. Everything coming, there's so many homework, don't for what, right? Okay? Alright, so, I have my fair share of that kind of experience also. So, don't think that I'm a stupid person, I don't know, right? Architecture design. A curved arch that supports the bridge can be modeled by a quadratic function if its graph shown. This one is difficult. If you don't want to listen to me, it's fine. If you don't understand, it's not only good. Okay, don't understand because don't want to listen to me. Alright, now look up. This is the arch, right? I'm talking to you. Okay. This is 0. How long is this? 120 meters. How high is this? 50 meters, right? The question say what? Not I say what. Okay. Now comes the terrible part. The question. Because a lot of you, once you see this, straight away you feel like destroying the pitch. You don't want to do it. Okay, understand? A curved arch that supports a bridge can be modeled by the quadratic functions with its graph like that. Okay? Now, in this model, x meter is the horizontal distance from O, and y meters is the height of the arch above the surface of the water. The arch is 120 meters wide, and its base is 50 meters high in the middle. Write an equation, quadratic function, in the form y equals to ax minus p, x minus q to represent the arch. This one, we ever said in the movie, she always see in some, all the whole question 0. Okay, I'm going to teach you how. Oh, look up. Don't be frightened, this is working the other way around, right? Look at me. Suddenly, you can see by with your eyes closed. That's well done. Very well done. Some people don't laugh too loudly. You can see with your eyes open also, but you don't know what I'm talking about. This is called high level skill, sleeping with the eyes open. You know there's one boy I teach though. I ask you, do you understand? Do you know this? When I call you, huh? Do you know? This is called sleeping with the eyes open. Very high level skill. When teachers ask you okay or not, you still cannot. You can still can shake, but then when I ask you how, I don't know what's your question. This is called terrible, I can tell you. 最高境界，我跟你讲。Now look at this. Now, the form is like that, right? Now, do you agree You agree what I'm talking about? Because I'm talking to you. Yes or no? Okay, all of you look at us. You talk so much, I don't explain already. Look at yourself. This one is 0. This one is 1, 2, 0, right? Okay, that means my answer is x equals to 0 or x equals to 1, 2, 0, right? Now, if I work backwards, that means it's x. X minus 1, 2, 0 equals to 0, right? If I form the equation, right? You all agree what I'm talking about? Okay, of course, if you say, I cannot see that. Okay, cannot see, you can write like that also lah. It's the same lah. I told you 0 is equal to anything also can lah, right? Okay, but I can have a constant in front. Right? Alright, my aim is to find that constant. This 0 and 1, 2, 0 is not a problem. You can see it, but it's this one. But there is a point that I know the coordinates on the curve. This highest point, I told you for a quadratic equation, it must have a line of symmetry, right? Very good. The highest point, the y is 50, correct? What is the x? How about it? So 60. Can you see this point lies on the ground? Yes or no? Yes or no? So once you see this, it's okay. Why do I say it's okay? Now, can you see this one? Can you see this one? I'm going to read it right now. A, y will be equal to ax, x minus 1, 2, 0. That will be my equation, right? From here. Correct? What I came out. Correct? Now, can you see that when x is 60, y is 50 from that point that lies on the ground? Everybody clear? This point is what? 0, 0. Don't go and suck in, nothing one. Understand? You cannot get anything. This point is what? 1, 2, 0, 0, right? Okay, suck in also nothing one. Only this point you can get. Understand? Okay, now. So, y will be equal to a, what is this? 60 into what? 60 minus 1, 2, 0, and this one is what? 50. Then I can solve for my a. Can you see what I'm talking about here? Now, if you put in 0 or 1, 2, 0, straight away get 0, nothing. So I cannot find anything. Get it? Okay. 50 equals to a into 60 times what? Negative 60, right? I'm talking to the class. Is this okay? Now, so 50 equals to negative 3600a, right? What's my a? 50 over 3600 negative, right? Correct? So what is my equation? Y equals to negative 50 over 3600 x minus 120. Everybody clear? But this is not in simplified form. Use your calculator. What is 50 over 3600? Negative what? Negative what? 1 over what? 1 over 72 x minus 120. Understand? Now you will say, sure. Wow, like that now? What is my p? 0. Can you see p is 0? What is my q? 120. Can you see what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? But if the arch is like that, whereby this one got, let's say 20, this one 120, that is a different story. Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm talking about here? Okay? Alright, good. Next part. Next part. Part 2. So are we all clear about how to get this point? How to get this equation? Yes, okay. So I'm going to write this down. I don't want to waste space. Negative 1 over 72 x minus 120. Okay, so that's how I get it. Okay, next part, part 2. A point on the arch is 10 meters horizontally from O. What is the height of the arch above the surface of the water at this point? That means I have a point that is 10 meters away. I want to find what is this height. So this one is easy, right? Okay, when you get the equation, then you can start. 2, this is part 1. When x is 10, y will be negative this one, then 10 minus 120, right? Alright, press the calculator. Press your calculator, don't get it. Give me exact. What is it? 15? 5 over 18. So therefore, height will be 15, 5 over 18 meters. Okay? Everybody clear? Easy? Okay, next part. Another point on the arch is 20 meters vertically from the surface of water. What is the width of the arch at this point? Okay, all of you look up. I'm going to draw this. This is 50, right? Wait. Well, I have a point that is 20 meters above. I will get 2x value, right? Agree or not? Yes or no? Okay, now I have to equate this. Negative 1 over 72x, x minus 120 must be equal to 20, correct? The height is 20, and I'll get 2x, right? Okay, so I'm going to simplify this. This one will become x squared minus 120x equals to, all of you please multiply for me, what's 20 times 72? Huh? What's that? 1440, and it's a negative, right? Alright. Okay, so this is x squared minus 120 plus 1440 equals to 0, right? Okay, I'm not going to go through this. This one I can solve by what? Formula. Understand? So, can you share that? What does this 3 dot mean? This 3 dot means what? You will write down the necessary step, not I write down the necessary step. Understand? Use formula to solve. Okay. You will get 2 answers. X equals to 13.524 or 106.48. You get 2 answers. But look at the question. What did they ask for? Another point on the arch is 20 meters vertically above the surface of water. What is the width of the arch at this point? That means I'm supposed to find here to here, right, the width, right? Correct. Now, do you agree that this point is 106.48? How about this point? 13.504, right? How do I get the width? I minus, right? Can you see it? I minus. Why? Okay, Olga. Hello? This point, the whole thing is 106.48. This point is like that. 13.54. So the width is this whole thing minus this one, I get the width. You understand what I'm talking about here? Huh? 5 what? Oh, 524. Okay. Okay, so I will say width will be 106.48 minus 13.524. Okay. The answer is what? On your calculator. I want the calculator. Minus for me now. What is it? Cannot hear. 9.92.956. Is it correct? What's the answer must be given to what? 3 6 feet, right? So 3 6 feet is what? 93.0 meters. So the width of the arch is 93.0 meters. Are we all clear now? Are we all clear now? Okay. Now, I just have example 13 and I will complete the whole section. Understand? Stop the video. I will not do no time already.